Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Temu account. If you no longer want to use your Temu and you can request to permanently delete your account. So firstly, to get started, open the Temu app. And from here you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right. Again in the top right there's this small setting gear, select that. And from here you need to select this account security in the top. So over here what you need to do is select delete your Temu account in the bottom. So over here, what you need to do is you need to select the small icon that says I want to permanently delete my Temu account. So simply select this continue. And over here, you can also select the main reason for deleting your account. And if you do not want to, you can simply select I don't want to provide a reason and select continue. So over here, you need to verify identity as well. You can use Google account to verify your identity or use email verification. As I'm going to choose this email verification in the top. So from here, you need to enter the verification code. You need to check your Gmail and simply paste your verification code. And that is it. You need to select confirm and it has been requested and it will be deleted in 7 business days. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.